and welcome to day 17 of the 30-day Yoga and Pilates challenge. Today we have a yoga flow for heart opening, starting in hero pose, Virasana. Knees to the floor, shoulders down and back. Breathe deeply, inhale through the nose. Exhale through the nose, abdominal breath. Inhale, lift arms straight up. Exhale, open the chest. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, lower arms down and open the chest. Inhale, up. Exhale, open. Cross your fingers behind you, open the chest, stretch. You can even place your hands behind you for a deeper stretch. Now, in tabletop position on our floor, we're going to be doing the cat-cow stretch. Inhale, drop belly towards mat, gaze upward, open collarbone, and exhale round the spine and let the head drop. Inhale and exhale, gaze between knees. Inhale, press into the palms. Exhale round the spine. Inhale up and exhale down. Okay, nicely done. Tuck your toes and press into down dog. Keep pressing into the palms. You can bicycle your legs now. Push your hips towards the sky or the ceiling. Try to keep the back straight. Try to keep your legs straight. And now slowly walk towards your hands into a folding forward, standing forward fold. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, Tadasana. Now we're going to do Surya Namaskara C, some salutations. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, palms in front of the heart center. Inhale, arms up, micro back bend in the lower back. Exhale, folding forward, keeping the back straight. Inhale, look forward, open the chest, step right foot back. Drop your knee down. And now hold your breath, step into plank. Exhale, knees, chest and chin down into Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, open the chest, push into Bhujangasana or up dog. And exhale, down dog. Push your hips back into down dog. Inhale, right foot forward. Drop the left knee down, open the chest. Exhale, step the other leg in. Forward fold. Inhale, arms up, micro back bend. Exhale, palms in front of the heart center and Tadasana. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, prayer pose. Inhale, arms up, back bend. Exhale, folding forward. Place your hands beside your feet. Inhale, look up and step the left leg back, left knee down, open the chest. Hold the breath, plank position, knee down. Exhale, chest and chin down into Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana or up dog or cobra. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, step your left foot up, right knee down, open the chest. And now exhale, bring the other foot. Inhale, arms up, back bend. Exhale, arms in front of the heart center and Tadasana. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, prayer pose. Inhale, arms up, back bend. Exhale, folding forward, keeping the back straight. Inhale, look forward, step the right leg back, open the chest. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, open the chest, open the arms to the side, dropping them down. Hold the breath and step into plank. Exhale, knees, chest and chin down into Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, open your chest, push into Bhujangasana. Exhale, take your toes and push hips back into down dog. Feet together or apart. Inhale, right leg back. Exhale, bend the knee. And now we're gonna step into the wild thing. Distribute the weight evenly. Push the inner edge of the foot down. Engage the back muscles. And now rotate back into down dog, three-legged actually. Step the right foot, drop the left knee, open the chest. And now meet the left leg with the right one into standing forward fold. Inhale, arms up, micro back bend, squeeze your inner thighs together. Exhale, prayer pose and Tadasana. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, prayer. Inhale, arms up, back bend. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, look up, step the left leg back, drop the left knee, open the chest. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, open the chest, lower the arms down. And now step back into plank. Exhale, knees, chest and chin down, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, down dog. Keep pushing through your palms. Lift the left leg up, three-legged. Exhale, bend the knee, and now drop down into the wild thing. Lift your shoulder up and back. Distribute the weight evenly. Keep going, engage the back muscles. Back to three-legged. And then step the left foot between your hands, open the chest, drop the right knee down. And meet the right foot with the left one, standing forward fold. Inhale, arms up, micro back bend. And exhale, prayer, Tadasana. Inhale, arms up, micro back bend. Exhale, folding forward. Inhale, step your right foot back, open the chest. Lift your arms up. Exhale, open the chest, open the arms to the sides. Plank. Exhale, drop knees, chest and chin down, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Cobra. Exhale, down dog. Inhale, leg up. Three-legged, bend the leg, wild think again. Open the chest. Three-legged. Now step into warrior one, hips forward, hold here, back foot 45 degrees, gaze between your arms, Exhale, open the arms. And now find your way into warrior 3. Hold here and breathe. Square hips to the mat, keep a slight bend in the standing leg. And now bring the left knee forward. Find your balance, then reach back and grab your left toe and open into the dancer pose. Gaze forward, find your balance, keep a slight bend in the standing leg. And slowly step back into warrior 1. Gaze between your arms, back foot 45 degrees. Exhale, arms down, drop the left knee. And both legs together into standing forward fold. Inhale, arms up, micro back bend. Exhale, prayer, Tadasana. We're going to repeat on the other side. Inhale, arms up, micro back bend. Exhale, folding forward, keeping the back straight. Inhale, look up, step the left leg, drop the left knee, open the chest. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, open the arms down. And now step back into plank, knees, chest and chin down with exhale. Inhale, cobra or up dog. Exhale, down dog or mountain pose. Inhale, left leg up, bend the knee. Exhale, wild think, hold here. And now back to three-legged. And step the left leg between your hands for warrior 1. Back foot 45 degrees, hips are square. Gaze between your arms. And now find your way into warrior 3. Please keep a slight bend in the standing legs, square hips to the mat. Make one straight line. Now slowly with control, drive the right knee up, forward. And now with the right hand, grab right toes and dancer pose. Open the chest, find your balance, gaze forward. Hold here and breathe. And slowly with control, again find your way into warrior 1. Gaze between your arms, open the arms with exhale, place them down on the mat, drop the knee. Inhale here, and now with exhale, legs together, standing forward fold. Inhale, arms up, micro back bend. And exhale, prayer, Tadasana. Inhale, sweep your arms up, chair pose, tuck your pelvis in. And now really slowly sit down on the mat. And slowly roll down one vertebrae at a time. We're gonna go into the bridge pose. So lift hips up, keep chin untucked from the chest. Press feet into the floor, into the mat. Arms alongside the body and lower down. Hug your knees. Happy baby pose. Keep lower back pressed to the mat. Okay, now we're gonna go for the full wheel. Press into your hands and go for the full wheel. Now try to close your feet and hands together and slowly down on the mat. And happy baby one more time. arms through the insides of the knees, or enjoy the stretch. Keep lower back pressed to the mat. And that's it. Ready for our final resting pose, Shavasana. Take your time. Slow down your breathing. Again, inhale through the nose, exhale through the nose. And enjoy. Thank you so much for joining me today. I really hope you enjoy this practice. See you tomorrow.